I was taught to fear Islam. I believed it was violent. I believed it was oppressive. And if someone had told me that one day I would accept Islam, I would have said, never. But one moment changed everything. Before Islam 030 to 130, greater than. Growing up, everything I knew about Islam came from the media. The news. The movies. The headlines. I never met a Muslim. I never opened the Qur'an. Yet I thought I knew the truth, greater than inside. I felt empty. I had a life that looked fine from the outside, but my heart felt lost. The inner struggle 130 to 230, greater than. Late at night, I would ask questions no one could answer. Why am I here? What is my purpose? I tried distractions. I tried ignoring it, but the emptiness stayed, greater than, and strangely, Islam kept appearing in my life. The turning point to 30 to 345, greater than. One day, I heard a verse from the Qur'an. I don't even remember why I listened, but something felt different, greater than. Verily, in the remembrance of Allah do hearts find rest. For the first time, my heart felt calm, greater than. Not fear, not pressure. Peace. Double quotes. Accepting Islam 345 to 430, greater than. I started reading more, asking questions. And the more I learned, the more the lies fell apart, greater than. Islam wasn't darkness. Islam was clarity. The day I accepted Islam, I cried, not from sadness, but from relief. Final message for 30 to 5 o'clock, greater than. If you're watching this and you're searching, don't be afraid of the truth. Islam didn't take my freedom. It gave my soul peace. Sometimes the light we fear the most is the light we need. End screen text. Subscribe for more true Islamic stories, so light stories.